Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Busy Beader. I'm Caitlin, and today we're going to be finishing out our lava rock jewelry set, which is just super exciting. We already have our earrings and our bracelet, and now we're gonna make our necklace to match. This is a beautiful, just like simple statement piece. And what's great about it is when you wear them around your neck, they, release those, if you use them with essential oils, like we talked about in the earring video, then they release that essential oil right underneath your nose all day, which is pretty cool. But regardless of if you use essential oils with this piece or not, it is very beautiful, very understated, which I think can just be really nice for some occasions. Sometimes you want loud jewelry and sometimes you need understated pieces. So, get to have a little bit of both on Busy Beader here. Regardless of your jewelry preferences, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the ones who make all of this possible. Link for them is in the description box below, as well as a link to my website where you can find step-out instructions with exact links to the products that I use today, and all kinds of other fun goodies. You can see all of my projects on there. So please be sure to check all of that out and to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That way you can come back and do more crafting with me. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into lava rock necklace today. Step 1, you're going to gather your supplies and your materials. You only need 4 things for this craft today. You're going to need a head pin. I chose a super fun fancy one because I thought it would look pretty cool. Your lava rock, of course. A little bead topper. I chose one that matched my fancy head pin here. And then I thought I'd show you guys something new. You can buy chains that are already complete on the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads website. So this one already has a clasp on it. So all we have to do is attach our drop when we get there. So thought that would be fun to show you guys a little different technique today. Step 2. All right, big thing for this project is making our drop. So you're going to take your fancy head pin or your regular head pin, whatever you've got going on, and you're going to add your lava rock. Then you're going to add your little bead topper on, and so you have a little drop that looks like this. And now we have to make our loop. So like all the other loops we've made here, what do, guys? We make a angle, and then you're going to cut off your excess. Be careful not to cut off too much, although if you do, you can always just start over again. Also be careful that the metal doesn't go flying and hit your eye. No injuries here at craft time, okay? And then you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to spin it back the other direction. And looks like we just need to tuck this guy just a little bit more here. Give it a little bit of love is what I always say. And your loop is complete just like that. Step 3, we have to add our drop to our chain. So, easiest way to do this, since our chain is already complete with our clasp and everything, we're just going to take that loop that we just made and open it up. Then you're going to add your chain like so, and go ahead and close that loop again. And here's an area where you can give it a little extra love again if you need to. But there it is. Very simple, understated, but a great way to use essential oils and do all those things that we've been talking about the last couple of weeks. So there is your completed lava rock necklace. And there we have it, a complete lava rock jewelry set. I hope that you had so much fun with me making these, and now you should have a pair of lava rock earrings with some complementing crystal quartz, a lava rock fidget bracelet, and a very simple understated lava rock necklace. That was super easy to make because we didn't have to mess with the chain and the clasp or anything. New technique for you there, time-saving technique. I hope that you had the most fun on this journey with me today, that you got to learn a little bit about lava rocks, and that you get to enjoy having these pieces in your set or giving them as a gift. This whole set would make a wonderful gift for somebody in your life, especially somebody who loves essential oils. But if you enjoyed these videos, please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can come back and make more super awesome stuff with me. And be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Their website is in the description box below, as well as my website. See you in the next one.